In this video, I will describe the alphanumeric and calendar ordering of the screens in Schoolware, just to give you an overview. I will start by bringing in the home screen for the front desk, and you can see in the button bars they are arranged alphabetically, A, C, F, and so on, and same in the next list. And generally speaking, we try and keep these in alphabetical order. This one, I believe, is out of alphabetical order. We should probably change it. And the same on the main list at the bottom. Everything is in alphabetical order. Just make it so you know that that's the practice. For example, we take off the student list. We have sorted everyone by active, meaning active status. And then we have down here everybody by grade. So that's the next function, because when you see a bar across, that means it's sorted to the bar. And then in this case, we have sorted by alphabetical, the last name. So you've got Pham, Phong, Fyong. And here you've got Churchill, because he's a foreign teacher, I guess, and Ryan, and so on. And all the names are done in alphabetical order. The same with the grades. Now, we'll take a look at the calendar. Where is the calendar? Just a second. Takes me a minute to get these things. Got them all over the place. Here we are. Here's the calendar. Sorry it took so long. You can see here in the school calendar that we have got the date on the left, and everything is ordered in date order all the way through the year, and you've got under the headings for September and October. In that case, because it's a calendar, we are ordering it by the order of the months in the year, and not by the alphabetical name of the months. But in this calendar, because it's a date order, the dates are numeric from, I think it's 1970 onward, and it's in that precise order. When there's two items to a date, they are listed alphabetically. Okay, another example is the Living in Vietnam catalog or book. You see we've got the headings, which are organized by alphabetical order: arrival, before you go, culture, etiquette, food, geography, and so on. And then within each topic, we have it ordered by alphabetical. You notice here I've forced a number 1 in so that it is ahead of the arrival, simply because that's the way the systems sort them. And here under culture, we have C through T. That's the standard practice. Okay, now we'll take a look at, for example, purchase orders. These are done by purchase order number and by the date from the first purchase order to the last purchase order. That's the way they are sorted. And in the incident list, which is slightly different, just exactly the opposite, they have got the most recent incident at the top. So the one that we created in building this training manuals is what's the second one, number 2, and it's August the 25th, which is earlier than, or later, I guess earlier to us than May the 17th. So we keep pushing them down the line. Again, it's called descending versus ascending numbers. So to recap, we focused by calendar date and family name and the primary things, and then all the text and documents and so on are sorted by, usually by their alpha characters.